Hello students, welcome to Prayesh YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is decimal fractions. Now this is a exercise 19.2 which is available in Navneet. We are going to see the solutions for this one, which is available on page number 271. So question number 1 is there. What is the difference between the place value of the digit 6 in the number 26.3567? Now we have to find out the difference between the place value of the digit 6. Now here also digit 6 and here also digit 6. Now this digit having the place value only the 6 because this is at the units place. So this is, we can say, the 6, or then decimal point 00 we can maintain. There is no any changing the value of the 6. Now this 6 at the tens, hundreds means thousands, means we can say after the decimal 1 means this is the tens, hundreds, and this thousands place there is a 6. So like this one, and this 0 we will maintain here. Now we are going to find out the difference, so subtractions we have to do. Here also we will maintain the 0. Now 0 minus 6 cannot possible, so here the 10 by borrowing the 10. Sorry, here also not available the 10, so here the 9, here 9, and here 5 you have to maintain. So 10 minus 6, it's a 4, then 9 as it is, 9 as it is, and 5 as it is, and with a decimal point as it is. So 5.994, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 2, 13, here I will maintain 13 by 10 minus 76 by 1000 is equals to how much? Now we will maintain the denominator same so that we can find out the this subtraction. So to maintain here the 1000, here we have to multiply with the 100. So same 100 we have to maintain in multiply with the numerator. So this is a 1300, and then subtraction with the 76 and divided by this 1000 and this 1000 means the denominator are the same. So this is a 1000. So is equals to 1300 minus 76 means 1224. So divided by this thousands. So now thousands means 3 decimals we have to shift in a left side, means this is a 1, 2, and 3. So means it will comes to here 1.224, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 3, what is the sum of the place values of the digit 9 in the number 192.979? So this summation, sum of the values we have to find out. Now this 9 means this is at the tens place, means this is a 90.00 we will maintain, plus this 9 means at the tenths, so after the decimal this is a 9, and then plus this 9s at the and thousands place, so this is a 0.009. So additions we have to do. So this is a 9, then 0, then 9, then decimal point, and then this 90. So 90.909, this is given in option number 3. Now question number 4, what is the remainder when 6.86 is subtracted from 206.14? So we have to subtract this one with the 6.86 from 206.14. So 4 at the hundredth and 6 also at the hundredth. So 4 minus 6 cannot possible, so it's a 14 after take out the tens from here, so it will reduce the 10 here. 6 minus 6 cannot possible, but one already we had taken the, this will be the 5. So but 5 minus 6 cannot possible, so this will come the 9 after 10 borrowing, and this will reduce to the 1. So now 14 minus 6, 8, then 10 minus 8 is a 2, so decimal point as it is. Now this will come the 15, so 15 minus 6 is a 9, then 9 as it is, and then this 1 as it is. So 199.28, or we can say 199.28. So this is given in option number 4. Now question number 5, the difference between the two decimal fractions is 21.22. If one of the fraction is 13.7, then what is the other? So difference is the 21.21. so for this one we have to add 21.21 plus that another number, means that is a 13.7. 7. So after these additions, here 0, so 1 as it is, 2 plus 7 is a 9, decimal point as it is. Now 1 plus 3 is a 4, 2 plus 1 is a 3, so 34.91. This is given in option number 1. Now question number 6, the sum of the two decimal fractions is 25.904 if one of the fraction is 17.65, what is the other fractions? So to find out this one, we have to subtract 17.65 from the 25.904. So to find out these subtractions, this 4 and here we will maintain the 0, so 4 minus 0, 4 as it is, but 0 minus 5 cannot possible, so it will come the 10 here. After borrowing the 10 from this one, so it will reduce to the 8. So 10 minus 5 is a 5, 8 minus 6 is a 2, then decimal point as it is. Now 5 minus 7 cannot possible, so it will be the 15 after borrowing the 10s from here, and this will be the 1. So 15 minus 7 it's a 8, and 1 minus 1 is the 0, so 8.254, and this is given in option number 4. Now question number 7, 8.8, 8.8, then plus 8.08 plus 8.008, then plus 8.0808 plus 88.8. Now we will do the additions. Now this is at the tenths, okay, this is at the hundreds, and this is at the thousands, and this is at the 10,000. So 10,000s 8 only. Now here 8 plus 0 is 8, then 8 plus 8 is the 16, so 1 here, 8 plus 8 is the 16 plus 1 17, 1 carry, and this decimal point as it is. Now 1 2 3 4 5, 5 is the 40 plus 1 41, 4 here, 4 plus 8 is a 12, so 121.7688. This is given in option number 3. Now question number 8, the height of Satish is 1.48 meter and that of the Salil is 1.53 meter. What is the difference between their heights? Now higher number is this one, so 1.53. We have to make the subtractions because we have to find out the difference in between these two heights. Okay, so subtractions with 1.48. Now 3 minus 8 cannot possible, so it's 13. So from the 10 borrowing from here, so it will come the 4. 13 minus 7, so it's 5, then 4 minus 4 is a 0, then decimal point as it is, 1 minus 1 is a 0, so the difference is a 0.05, and this is given in option number 2. Thank you.